In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get ruins here in Warcraft. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Go ahead and start off by combining earth and do that twice in order to get 2 stones. Combine those to make coal, and what you're going to want to do is find coal on here again and combine those 2 coals to make a gem. Drag water off to the side and then combine that gem with some time in order to make perfection, and oh my gosh, that's bright. But then combine this water that we just dragged with some fire to make yin and yang. Combine yin and yang with some water to make a monk, and then combine monk and perfection to get balance. Drag this off to the side, create another earth, combine that earth with some water to make a plant, and then that plant with some time in order to make life. Drag that off to the side, grab some earth, and then get some wind as well, and this will create dust, and create some water with that dust to get energy. Combine energy and life, and this is going to give you power, and then find another life option on here with power to get unity. Combine unity and balance to get geometry, and then of course we're going to make another earth. So combine earth and wind, and then of course combine stone as well. This will give you sand. Essentially you need to combine sand and sand to make desert, combine those to make sphinx, and then go ahead and find more time on here. Drag this off to the side just like so, and we need to combine time and time here to get infinite. Drag life off to the side just like so, and find another infinite and combine it to get mystery, and then combine mystery and life to get wonder. We're going to need more time now, so drag time out there, combine it with another time to get infinite, and then combine infinite with time again to get future, and combine future and wonder to get past. Drag past and phoenix together, and you're going to get ancient. Then all you need to do is go ahead and find future on here again, which is all the way down here. Combine that and you now have ruins. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.